Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Discord app and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.